Alright, out in the woods, along a stone wall here, right near Route 6. You can tell by the traffic. And a few minutes ago, I got horseshoe number 27. But what is really interesting is along this stone wall, pieces of an old crock. That would have been an awesome find if it was intact. That's got to be old. Don't know if I'll take it home with me or not. I'll think about it. On to the next. Okay, I'm taking a break at this dried up stream here. And these are all the pieces I found. Not enough, but I'll go back some other time and look again. Also got me a oxen shoe, which I like. That was a pretty good day. Interesting spot. I'll go back again when it's a little cooler. It's about 92 out right now and humid. I'll go back another day. On to the next. Alright, it's almost dark out here. I don't know how this video is going to come out, but it took me a while to get this one. It was right underneath a root here. 5 inches down, probably. Flat button. It's already starting to flake too. Oh well. Looks pretty old, 1700s. It's always a good find. On to the next. Alright, this was a toughie. 7-8 inches down, a lot of roots, but it was a good signal, so I knew I had to dig it. Nice bell. Conestoga bell. It's only my second one I ever found. That's a very cool find. I got the little clapper thing, but there's not much left of it. Pretty crusty. That's a great find. Very nice. On to the next. Alright, I'm deep in the ferns in the woods. Boy, do I hate these ferns. Nasty. Very hard to metal detect around these ferns. But I found a spill. Not a coin spill. A horse tack spill. 4 buckles and a few straps. Horseshoe. Very interesting to find those all in one little mound. I'm going to check this area really good. Could be something else here, maybe a wagon wheel, you never know. Interesting finds. On to the next. Alright, back in my favorite spot, middle of the woods along stone walls. This is really in the middle of nowhere. And maybe 2-3 inches down. Very interesting. I got not one, but 2 leg hold traps. 1920s, 1930s maybe. Must have dropped them in the snow maybe. Very interesting to find them together. Definitely been here a long time. Never know what you gotta find in the woods, I guess. On to the next. Yes, I'm doing the stone walls again. This was about 15 feet away from the stone wall. 4 inches down, I'd say. Indian head scent. 1906, it looks like. Looks to be in decent shape. Pretty good find. Not bad at all. On to the next. Alright, doing a new spot up in Burrville. Spotted it on Google Earth. I don't know if it's any good or not, but I got a really good start here. 3-4 inches down. Got a Mercury dime. 1945. Not bad. My first target is silver. Could be a good day, you never know. On to the next. Alright, 3 inches down is so. Looks like a sterling silver ring. Pretty nice, actually. Not a bad find. Have to clean it up and check it out. On to the next. Alright, not a bad day out. 50 degrees and sunny. I'm at a old ball field here. And pretty deep, actually. 5-6 inches down. Got an old suspender clip. Not sure how old, but probably pretty old. It's a good find here. I usually don't find old stuff here. I have to clean it up and see how old it is. On to the next. Alright, here's one of my finds that I didn't film. I didn't have my camera that day. It's kind of a neat find, so I wanted to show it off. I call it a poison ring, but it could be like a snuff ring. It had a top on it at one time, a little cover. Couldn't find the cover. I searched for days after I found this. You can see it has a little hinge on it, and it used to hold something. Could hold a pill too. It's sterling silver. It's kind of neat. Interesting find. I'll go back again someday and look for the cover, but I probably never find it. Pretty cool find. On to the next. Alright, this is my best find over the past few months. Of course I didn't have my camera with me. It's a Colonial era hat buckle. 1770s, 1790s or so. Doesn't have the guts or anything, but it's in pretty nice shape. It's very ornate. Very cool find. Not a common find. Too bad I didn't have a video of it. Oh well, that's the way it goes. On to the next.